Hi there, it's Kaz. I'm back again. Well, this is another project that I made for my mom again, and literally it's a bird cage that I've decorated. So I just want to basically go through with you as to what I've actually done. Right, on the bottom I managed to find this really beautiful sort of trim. It's got just literally it's like a wine coloured ribbon, and just like a beaded just beads, well, it's a beaded trim basically, and put that all the way around the bottom, and again just up there on the top, and I've got some more on the top, but I'll just start at the bottom and sort of work up because it make it easier. I found from on a market some a beautiful garland, and it had all twigs and flowers all entwined and everything into it. It was absolutely beautiful. So this is actually what I've used on here, and I've literally interwound all this garland all the way around the bird cage, and you've got the the twigs and all these absolutely gorgeous flowers, and that one's, I don't know why that one's sticking out a bit, but there you go. And it's got all these like really beautiful flowers on, and I had two colours in the garland. I had a dark pink and a light pink, and I've used both on, so I had to sort of break up the garland and feed it all the way around, interwound it all the way around at the bird cage. So if I just sort of turn it so you can see, you'll see the trim on the bottom, but I've done it all the way around. So there's the front. I then bought some of the round, I don't know I'm not too sure what they call it, but the wood that you can get like out of Homebase or B&Q, dowling, that was it. I bought a big piece of that, and then I've cut some chunks out either end, so that I could fit them onto the wires in the bird cage, and I found these I suppose a bit like a robin. That's the type of bird that it looks like, and I've put a couple of those in. As you can see, I've got one here and I've got one just up there, but also on the top, if I take you up, there's like a dome as well in the top, and as you can see I've put another one just in there. He's cute, but I think he's absolutely cute. I like him. And I've actually sprayed like a bit of glitter as well onto the birds. You probably can't see it, but they are sort of quite sort of shiny. Let's sort of turn it round. No, you won't actually see it. But anyway, as at the top there's a clip there, and that's how it actually opens on this particular one. There's no side gate or anything on this one. There you go, fasten that back up, and like I say, that's the beaded trim again all around the top, because there's quite a nice design on the bird cage itself, so I didn't really want to cover that up, so it stands out quite well. So as you can see that all the garlands all the way around. Now on the top, you know, as I started on the top, I've put different coloured ribbon. I've used like a burgundy chiffon, a white chiffon, and a pink chiffon, and put all bows all around the top here. So that's actually going all the way around. I've then put these, it's, oh, I suppose it's like a more or less like a daisy type of flower. If I just bring it up there, and I had these like a deep wine and burgundy, like shabby chic looking flowers, and I added these on as well. They go around the top, so I should have, I think I've got 4 of those going around the top, and in between I've put these like daisy like flowers on, and as you can see I've got all the ribbon. And on the top again you can see there's the bird, and I put him in the dome, and he's got like a little clip on, so we can just clip on inside. You can take him out or whatever you want to do. And again I've put this pearl trim around the top, and just a bow there. But this particular bird cage, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but we'll give it a go. While I was intertwining the garland, once I'd finished, I had some miniature, I suppose they were LED lights. Bear with me. And I interwove all those in between all the garland, and on the bottom, you can see it there, I stuck the actual light box. So I'm just going to see if I can turn it on, see if you can see the lights working. Bear with me. There we go. And on this one, they come out, and they're sort of red and blue. Bear with me, let me just turn the light off so you can get a better. There we go. And it's all lit up. And unfortunately you can't really see the colours, but it's green, they're red, and they're blue little LED lights, and it would, you know, it looks stunning. Does look absolutely stunning. You just can't really sort of see the colours very well, which is a bit of a shame. Bear with me, turn the light back on again so I can actually see myself. I'll try that one. I don't know whether you see, I just altered the lights. There, it gives you a little bit more of an idea what they look like. But my mum absolutely loves it, but as I said, you can't really sort of see the lights, to be fair. Oh, bear with me, I'm just a bit wobbly. There. There you can see the birds in there as well. But it was just an idea I had, which I thought she might like, because I do believe she's going to sort of shabby chic her bedroom, and this was to go in there in the corner of a room where she wanted to hang it there, but she hasn't got round to doing it yet, but never mind. But anyway, I hope you like my project, and hope to be downloading some more soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye.